Hey everybody! So today, before we start, yes, this is a wig. No, I did not change my hair. I was just too lazy to do my hair for a video. So today I'm showing you how to get this glam holiday look. I'm sure I say in the upcoming clip. I did the basic part first. This glam holiday look is based off the fox eye along with the dark berry lip. This look is based off a fox eye shadow I saw trending online. The original video I fell in love with, I couldn't find it again. I know I hearted it, but I can't find it anywhere. And for some reason, like, it disappeared. And I've seen multiple people do it, but the way that she did it, it was like this, more gradient, angled, all over the lid. No, we're not defining the crease or anything like that. Everything is just angles because it's a fox eye look. We don't want it open. We want it more, you know, lifted. You know, like you know those head poses the girls be doing. They be like, yeah, like, like, oh my god. If you want to know how I created this holiday glam fox inspired makeup look, just keep watching. I'm going to use my Glam eyeshadow palette. It's called New Beginnings. I got this is from Shein. We're gonna start off with the color corduroy. To create this fox eye look, corduroy looks like a brown burgundy color. So let's see how it comes out. So going next to your eye, we're just going to take the color and just start. So we're going to do it at an angle. Make sure you reach the tape. And we're going to bring it more down as we get closer to the front of the lid. See this again? And my eyelid is already primed. I'm like lightly brushing it on. And when they did the look, they did go a little higher on the outer part though. So this is like a brown with a dark chocolate brown with like a red undertone. I thought it was gonna be a little more burgundy, but I guess not, but I like that. Okay. Now, my Patrick Star palette and mix Manila Sands and Mango, because if I put Manila Sands, it'll be too bright. And then I want to put this on my whole lid, but when I do it, I'm going to blend it into here because I want to soften it out. I want to soften the edges for the brown that we put down. So just soften it out. Apply it all here and soft out the edges also. So kind of like I'm spreading the color all over, but then I'm also blending into here and I'm softening the angle. Going back into here, I actually decided to go into my butterfly palette from ColourPop. It's a flutter, and I feel like using Sulfur, which is like a metallic orange, because I want this look to look brown, orange, burgundy-ish, like those nice holiday warm colors. And instead of packing it, I'm going to just lightly brush it here because I don't want it to be too strong actually, and I want to blend it a little into the brown we have created. And I'm going to do that here as well. So we're going to put it on the parts that don't have the brown wing, and we're going to blend it into the brown that we created. Little bit of, so their pressed glitters are like my favorite, so I'm going to go into Grove, which is this pressed glitter, and I'm going to pack that onto the metallic parts of the eye. After I remove the tape, just know I add more color to the eyelid. Going back into the Glam palette, I'm going to take Moon Dust, which is a frosty champagne color, and I'm taking very little on here, and I'm just going to put it right under my brow bone. So I'm going to take this thin brush, going into my One Size palette. I'm just going to use this mirror at this moment. I'm going to use Turban Legend, which is his black shade. Apply it on the edge of the tape, and I'm going to also, in an angle, do a bottom layer of what we did with the brown, but on that side. So you see the brown going down, we're doing the same thing, the same shape that we did with the brown, but we're doing it with black. So it's like another layer right under, and we're going to blend it into the brown and go smaller as we go more inside the crease. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. And you see how I'm just going back and forth. And what I'm going to do before I peel that, I'm going to take this and I'm just going to blend it out a little because I want it to blend into each other. And now I'm going to peel off the tape. Oh, I love it. We can fix that. That's easy to fix right here. Oh my goodness. So that's easy to fix. So I'm just going to take this and blend it out again, like the edges. Let me clean up the side. I'm going to go over the edge, go under the eye again, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. And this is the eye look right now. While that's a little setting in, I do want to take the fluffy brush and I want to blend out the edges. It's gonna wipe off this, but it's gonna blend out to what I want it to be. Going back, I want to pack a little more of the chauffeur into the brown. So it's kind of like a gradient of everything into the dark line. And I'm gonna put more glitter. So everything is just applied constantly in an angle instead of just doing the depths of the lid, or like, you know how we always create definition with everything. It's just a gradient angled eyeshadow look. There you go, now it looks better. Put the glitter on the angle look too, just not on the lid, put on the outer part. After creating the angle gradient effect, going back with the black eyeshadow, I am actually going to take the one we made the shape with, and I'm going to pull it out in the corner. And create that, you see how it creates the fox eye? So the beginning of the bottom lid, I'm going to pull it in, pull in the shadow. I'm going to go back with, I'm going to go into a brown, and I'm going to just apply it to the outer part of my lid on the bottom. And then what I want to do is take that same orange and I want to actually add it on, put it in the middle on purpose, just to create that same gradient effect that we did on the lid. Now I'm going to apply my mascara. If you know, I don't use fake lashes. It's very rare for me to create, unless I'm doing like a crazy transformation look, then I wouldn't mind. But for glam looks, I don't use fake lashes because that's not my thing. I like my lashes, so I use mascara. So putting on the mascara, I'm going to swipe it outward in the corner. And, oh, oops, got some on the bottom. And I'm going to do that to give it more of an angle effect. I'm going to mix because this one makes it fluffy and the other one I feel shows the length more. And honestly because this is dry. But I actually, like I always say, I like my mascara a little more dried out for the fluffy effect. So I actually like always using this method of using two different ones but having one more dried out. Taking this one. This is what the other one, Maybelline, this one's Wet n Wild. I am still doing the same thing, pulling it out while making sure I'm coating everything. And the reason I'm applying it outward is just to give it more of that effect in the eye of it going at an angle. You can manipulate your lashes to be different styles or just different ways, just like people who have fake lashes. And if you actually pay attention to the ones, they do create different lash looks, like false lashes. They all have different effects. See, look at my lashes. I need a snack break. Shout out to Tip. Got me some Mexican snacks. Thanks, girl. We're back. Okay. Going into, I'm not doing the bottom lashes. I want this to all stay completely clean and clear. I feel like the top is what really does it. If we add our lashes on the bottom to be bigger or show, I feel like it's gonna make our eyes look more open, and Fox's eyes are more angled and they don't have, and their eyes don't look as wide, so we're not going to put anything on the bottom as mascara, or unless y'all put bottom false lashes. So for blush, I want everything to be more on the brown side, the warm side. So for this Glam little holiday season look, and so I'm going to take my Too Faced palette this is from last year's Christmas collection, and I'm going to take Fruitcake, which is a bronzer, as my blush, because for me it doesn't show muddy. It shows a little, like a hint of like on the warmer side, so it will show up more as a bronzy blush for me. So I'm going to take that and just apply it from here up. So for highlight on my cheeks, I'm going to apply my ColourPop highlighting stick. It's called Light Sticks, and this is the color Acting Up. And I'm going to, with my finger, dab it onto my top cheekbone. The top of my lip. Gonna highlight that down the nose, and a little bit around the brows, just to give it a little more of a glow. So you see that light glow when I move. Taking this brush, I use, normally after I contour, I use my Sephora micro blur just to blur out the contour, make everything blended more. So whatever's left over, I like to go on top and just, you know, lighten it up a little. But the cheek part, See how it just softens it? It's still there, the glow, but it's soft. But I want my glow. Oh, this is so destroyed. This is from Ultra Cosmetics. This is highlighter Rodeo Drive. It looks like a hot mess. I'm going to take some of this, tap it off, and I'm going to actually apply it where we put the cream on the cheek part. And I do like to drag it up a little underneath the eye. I know that's weird, but I feel like it kind of helps with the brightening. A little there, but yeah. So taking my NYX liner, I think a new one, this is my favorite one. I'm just going to line my lips. When I line my lips, I follow my actual lip line. I do not like to do crazy over the top lip lining. Oops, I kept messing up. Okay, so taking my Physicians Formula Velvet Finish, the Healthy Lip, I'm going to apply it. What color is this? It looks like, I tried to see what color it was, but it looks like, oh, look, it's a dark burgundy. Color, well, I opened it today just for the video. Oh my gosh, I love it. A quick update before this video ends. The lipstick, beautiful color. Get NYX or ColourPop. They're the best brand, at least to me, for lipsticks. Listen, it's been crumbling off like after, I'll say after 40 minutes of being finished with the makeup, and I don't have this problem ever with lipstick. So thank goodness this is my first time trying it, and I won't be wearing it ever again. So now back to the video. This is the finished look. Oh my gosh, this is the finished look. There is a couple more makeup tutorials that will be created for December. I just want to put in a glam one for people that are looking for looks for any events, parties, or dinners, or anything going on that they want to celebrate. I was like, let me create a glam one because I haven't done a glam one in a while, and this look deserves to be shared. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a brand new video. See y'all soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.